And the strain that we living in. Heartbreaking, I can't say no. My heartbreaking, I can't say no. What's good, family? What's good, family? We back. Let me see how much I made today so I can start this video right. Make sure y'all leave a like. I'm teaching y'all free game for free. A nigga with a like, it helps get my video recommended to other people, and it gets it to other people, and it helps me help them help y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just like the video. Subscribe if you're new, if you like the channel, and play some dog shit today. Today, gold blessed us again. Can't stress this enough, y'all. Market structure and price action is the key to victory. Anyways, markets blessed us with beautiful setup, and we were able to profit $861. I'm slowly creeping up on that 1,000 mark on my live accounts, bro. We get in there. We like that close. You know what I'm saying? I haven't opened up TradingView since I closed my trade, because like once I make some cheese, I close that. I don't look at nothing else. I done already made my bread for today, you feel me? So let's start the screen record and let's go see what gold did after I got out the trade. 3, 2, 1. Bam, we recording. Let's go open up TradingView. Let's see what gold did after I got out my trade. I made my cheese, and you know what I'm saying, y'all? We get out the trade, we don't stay in that. Okay, so actually gold did a lot. I got out around here. So I got out after that bullish candle. So we missed a little bit. I'm pretty sure if I would have stayed in, I would have cracked 1,000, but you know what I'm saying? Some money is better than no money. You know what I'm saying? If the markets give you some cheese, take the cheese, my nigga. Don't be greedy. But yeah, this is what gold did. Let me go to TradingView to show y'all that I'm on a live account. Cause you know, a lot of people be like, a lot of people think this shit is fake, but like, my shit is real, my shit is raw, my shit is authentic. Look at that. Nah, but my shit is real and organic, bro. Here's the profits right here, as y'all can see. Yesterday's profits and today's profits. And you know what I'm saying? We on a live, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got shit to lie about, baby. What made me get in this trade and why I put my stop losses and my take profits where they are, and all the stuff I use to give me confluences to get in the trade and have so much confidence in my trade. So without further ado, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's get straight into this pair. All right, look, first things first, as y'all can see, trend line. Trend lines are so freaking useful, bro. Have you ever gotten in a trade and you have a stop loss, right? Rather you know it's a valid stop loss or it's not a valid stop loss, but you have a stop loss, right? And you're like borderline scared to get in that trade. Bro, this little dot is annoying me. Like the little dot that's on my face. Hold on. Let me switch my camera. You know what I'm saying? Turn it this way. No, turn it this way. Zoom it in a little bit more. There we go. What was I saying though? Have you ever gotten a trade and then like you scared of your stop loss getting hit? Stop looking at the dot, Griff. Focus on the video. Trend lines are perfect, bro, perfect. So look, if you're able to read market structure, you know what I'm saying, price action, you study your candlesticks pattern, then you know what a higher low is. I mean a higher, sorry. You will know what a higher high is, or AKA a pullback, AKA an uptrend, right? So look, this is what we got in yesterday. We got in around, we got a break of structure, price action, we got in around here, and we caught this whole uptrend, right? So we got out, boom, price start retracing. After you see the candles start making exhaustion candles to where it can't sell anymore, and then you get a bullish engulfing candle like this, my nigga, get in. Like what is you waiting on? Especially with a pair like gold, get in. You know what I'm saying? If price does what it's supposed to do, you should get up and you should be able to put your stop losses in profit, and you just let the trade run crazy, right? And if you're smart, you'll do what I told you yesterday, is once you get one in profit, get in on another position, wait until that gets profit, and then you got two shits running, so you doubling your TP, and you literally can't lose till your stop losses is in profit. But trend line, boom. I got in the trade, I seen these two candlesticks right here. Obviously that is a break of structure. It's no longer going to the sellers and momentum is going upwards. Boom, that's one confluence. Second confluence, I drew a trend line. This is where the trend started. It started reversing here, so I connected this line right here I mean, this right here to this pullback right here, that's my valid trend line. That's 2 confluences, right? Third confluence, you got a bullish engulfing on the 4-hour time frame. Me personally, sometimes I look at the hourly, but I mainly be on the daily, the weekly, and the 4-hour. That's how I trade. So boom, that's 3. You go over to MetaTrader 5. I got my moving averages. They are as wide as they could be, right? Boom. ADX, when this started shooting, where was ADX? ADX started pulling away from each other again. That's why I'm telling y'all, put the ADXs on y'all stuff. When the ADX start busting it wide open like a stripper, my nigga, it's time to get in. No pun intended. But boom, ADX is wide, bruh. And then RSI, I usually use the RSI like when it crosses the 50, but in this case it's gold. Like usually when gold shoots, it shoots, especially when it breaks out of consolidation. So the RSI low-key not valid in this trade. But you got the moving averages. You can count each and every moving average as a confluences, but we're just gonna do a moving average as 1 confluence. So what is that, 3, 4? That's 3 or 4 confluences to get in and not be scared. Boom. You got the ADX 45 wide, 5 confluences. ADX 10 wide, 6 confluences. You got all of these reasons why to get in this trade and just let it be. Do not be scared, bro. If you've been studying and you've been studying all your indicators that make valid sense, you've been studying mainly price actions, support resistance, market structure, bro, there's no point of being scared, fam. There's no point, like you literally have no point of being scared. And then that's basically it, y'all. Is just get in the trade, let my stops get in profit. Drawdown, so y'all could be scared of drawdown. Me personally, how I trade, once I get in the trade, like I get in trades off of candlesticks, right? MetaTrader is literally just, I could turn off my camera now because I'm pretty sure that's everything. I'm pretty sure that's everything. Now I'm gonna keep it on just in case I have something else. But drawdown and candlesticks. When I get in trades, you guys, I do not look at how much I'm up or how much I'm in drawdown unless I'm getting out of a trade or I'm taking profit. I capped a little bit. Sometimes like, sometimes I see like a bullish engulfing and stuff like that. I just be peeking to see how much I'm up off of these like bullish engulfing candles. And yeah, but I rarely look at them. Like, train your mind to trade candlesticks and not the money, right? The money is gonna come regardless. If you know how to read the candlesticks and set your stop loss and your take profit, bro, the money is gonna be there, win or lose. That's just how it is. So just train your mind to read stuff correctly, your indicators, your market structure, your price action, the candlesticks, and then the money is just gonna be there. Like, you're literally getting paid for being a nerd, my nigga. You done studied all this stuff. You done put it in long hours. You were studying while people was asleep. You done fell asleep studying, like, my nigga, is gonna pay off. But anyways, train your mind to read candlesticks and don't worry about the money. It's gonna happen. So I think I was in drawdown a little bit, and I looked how much I was in drawdown a little bit. I think the most I went down was like $20, and then after that, gold just shot up. So just trust your brain, bro. If you put in the work, my nigga, trust your brain. Do not second guess. Go with your first mind. If you got, make sure you have hella confluences on why you're taking a trade, bro, and you're gonna be straight. Whether you win or lose. And when I lose, bro, I'm not the perfect trader, bro. I win more than I lose, but when I lose, make sure you guys are learning from your losses, bro. Cause obviously, yeah, that shit sucks. I don't care if you're with a funded or you work a 9 to 5 trying to start your own capital and your own stuff. My nigga, them losses hurt. Now I can turn on my screen record, cause now I'm just talking straight to y'all. But my nigga, them losses hurt. Bro, we put in work to pay for that prop firm, and we put in work to put bread into our capital, bro. Them losses hurt. Make sure when you lose, you learn why you lost. Like, oh, I lost this because woo, 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 woo. Maybe I got in too early. Maybe I was too hungry. Maybe I was greedy. My nigga, as a trader, you have to learn. The markets will bless you. If you get too greedy, the markets will cook your ass, my nigga. The markets will cook you. Let's just keep it a bean. But my nigga, them, bro, losses are going to happen. Sometimes you will lose a trade and it just be purely news, or it be the summertime. Don't touch the markets during May to July. You will get cooked. It will not respect price action, and you will get that ass baked. But sometimes you will lose just because pure news, bro. We live in a crazy world, G. Dead ass. Like, you could be in a trade, price action look good, it made a lower high, higher low. It's respecting everything. Some news will drop, account balance will drop. Like, just make sure you have valid stop losses, and you know what I'm saying, your risk to reward. I turned my camera off, but let's see what my risk to reward was. I only take 1 to 2 trades. I mean 1 to 2 risk to reward ratios, right? Y'all can see it. Oh shit! As y'all can see on my screen, it says 1.98. Come on, focus. It says 1.98. That's like 0.2 off of a 1 to 2 type shit. Like, you feel me? Make sure y'all taking valid risk to reward ratio trades, right? You can lose X amount of trades. That one dub will cover all of them L's up and probably put a little muffin on the top. I mean, a little cherry on the top. But we've been to reach the 10-minute mark. I hope this video helped y'all. Every time I touch some cheese, I'm bringing it to y'all and I'm explaining how I'm doing it. Follow me on Instagram. Let me know if y'all mess with the new channel. Look, let me know down in the comment section. But make sure to leave a like. That helps a lot. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.